Chenindina Kwako eye Whinum Edna Eka eye teams mienu already or United and 11 wonders. Why na nebeka omo na omo akọ relegation ho and na semindina no and so I wanna have positions no baby obi anso ebedia odibenya nsika before the league the announcement a fee eye no and so ehọ baaye through the Adisa production tina ma league no emu enso aye de papa na osho result na etimi PM this weekend da se ne sikoye Asante Kotoko tifie omo sheba ko ama All Blacks ehye kanu eye mienu na before this game na issues bebre so All Blacks for no try to be wura Kotoko team nim ama omo fe Kotoko player bi kra so omo disika fa no so on from say na nsam no aye bebre press conference upon press conference na ye enso awa ba ni nyina mu no of course I want some ye de beba but say dem me mama resort ni aba be di sa enkomo ni nyina awu dwumadi so nti Asante Kotoko omo tifie ma All Blacks betwa me kam inu a omo te ka no eye baako Nation Subsea a travel call eye tamale na omo ko share ka wele ka baako a omo so entimi anti Gold Stars ehye 8 nwotwe ama 11 wonders of course omo dey before no na omo call relegation dada abrante Samo Atakumi onon ko ada game o share 6 goals as say ka say Ghana Premier League no ono na goalkeeping chart no ono so eda so awaje ede SC eye ne na so Hands of share 9 mediama te kano eye mienu chance share miensa bechem ete kano eye mienu vision e share miensa Diana ete omantimi ate kano ba kokra Holy Stars ete fie share mienu ama Dreams omo share e kano eye a 9 and Young Apostles almost sutifie etwa eye team from Sasamata se come inu a almost so entimi antinti e ball league ni dina ewie ye no abusua sei edna ye league atwede no enso ekoko wie ye mediama omle huridi kan omle 62 points age league no e de assume na so ba bia ni Gold Stars atoso mienu 60 House of Folk atoso miensa wa mo enya eye 54 points Afe Dreams atoso a 952 Adriana toso eye num 50 Bekum Chelsea toso nsia 50 Samatex atoso eye enson 50 Afe Asante Kotoko toso onwotwe omunya 49 Kawela atoso nkron 49 Vision atoso edu 47 Beche United atoso du baako 47 Ambassador Stars atoso eye du mienu 46 Pando Out of Lands atoso eye du miensa 45 All Blacks etoso eye edu 9 omunya 45 points and Young Apostles omutoso edunum omunya 45 points afi oma relegation ka wo mu no enie Nations FC Dr. Kwame Chei and the team no omutoso edunsia omu de 44 points eko relegation Oho United at the 30 points eko and 11 wonders omu de twa tokra omu at the 13 points and so they continue ball league ni wie ye no na Nations FC Oho United and 11 wonders omo na FA league ni ma omo so eko na miensa etimi ababeshim na before ye babedi results and FA league table no awonsensem common na no Jonathan Esiedu Fatilo good morning
Richard
now to say
na me adum na so e
na adum me ho ye pa minim say Asante Kotoko ne All Blacks in sensemi before the game that bribery allegations are not ekoso no what follow pa story net say starting for him
Richard we da say Saturday no from 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. to 6 p.m.
and
then yan ntie say Kotoko supporters egu Central Police Station na si there bi board yan kai Sunday the day ntina amako remu Central Police Station nti ye di akire no na say according to Alex Menu Kotoko Ashanti Regional NCC chairman operi ni chiremu say Kumasa Asante Kotoko ni sori Blacks game a nyame adoma na ade chom bebo no omo player ba ko e fana Patrick Esiedu efro omo say game no unse se Kobana se Kotoko share All Blacks be ko relegation na se be ko na number kem ntino mu di nkomo na mo say oh da bi na ade no munji kakrai munji kakana game ne enye yen shamu
nti ono Alex Menu no Patrick Esie bi na frɛ no e ka kyerɛ ne sɛ All Blacks for no ebe so omo disika wura game nim
waso wonya call na call no free All
Blacks for no
na ne nya ne sɛ game no on be say players no ejeje omo no mo yede
All Blacks for no be hye
show
okay
e no so dabi one de ontimi nya san fanti Asante Kotoko
okay
e no twe phone e refer Alex Menu say say na enkomo no Alex Menu chechire mu ye ekwan a Patrick Esie frɛ no ene ekwan a mo sa so emrante mu modum ko PM e was Central Police Station no say NST
asefo yentie Nhyira Alex Menu bra press conference no cheche nemem
Then the woman answer all Blacks fire might be some Beshewa. Woman said, yeah, teach a woman to be sure. To move Belio, some of your players, some look far particular city. According to particular city, it's not touches on the more fair. So, Monia, or look at the say, and I saw Betia said, be a back of match of minutes because Kotoko, there's some on you. It's a mammy bomb and penny form and penny, but remember, all no moon negotiated. Why, here, but for players, you cannot play look at the January, or you cannot see what is the no woman negotiating. The price I don't back or no back. The more proposals on no measure or maximum. No, sir, let me catch today. One moment called Georgia. I said Georgia. One man was only fast one man. I can't see that's one more. It's a football bunch. Anyway, maybe support the paper support the normally ambush our honor. The car near Bayan supporters there. Obama Patrick said, do right, Academy, and Dominic Casano with this car. $1,000. Scan a denomination $50 each. One mark 20. To me, I never said me no me no to be my uncle hobby. Me na me jabe be my team crowd. But you said dim recover on this can be the chairman. Telling the $1,000 on this man. It's a bass and a supporters na no mo be or echi. O mu gina ho no mu din komo no na wo ayi ba ko a wo team woni no church ayi pani ni kwan. Wo church trade of that ni kwan no. Wo ye friends and referee out to match friend Moro Al Hassan. A mi minim no di Kotoko match club. Wono na tie no be yesi. Wono na de yechi. And it's about Central Police Station, about be a case, a better reporter. You know, what you can tobacco.
Wow,
Richard, easy.
This is serious.
Easy. And before this game, no, now Santo Kotoko supporters, or Muko game, no, or Mate bribery allegations, and the other says he plays in Yako say, or my say, Tenra, your pong game now. Not supporters in a jar now.
Now, cause I no more pen.
Set more pen in there. Nane pardon I can say there be some of kind of be mukwa fetch ko kwaje on dem person chile no teno ye wi game na bufu aba today was say police ambulance na ko for players dey o mo yede ekufi
yenti fans ni bi after say Asante Kotoko ne 11 All Blacks game no ban we no yenti the reaction of some of the Kotoko fans are now omo Kumasi Baba Air Sports Stadium.
Take a bomb boy. What should be pleasure? I went job on the book. Some I different to last match. I was crying. You say some very cry. The ending and some crowd in my idiot and a special system in Michelle. Only Yamonko. Your ear and this near me done. So I know you are going to check up to say we'll be check up. Only Yamonko. I mean, somebody for 24 politicians said, but that was yes, to a press according to some Sakalia. So it's a clear bona. What is your 1 million of press? A woman not to know. Yes, somebody will come. Now, one more kind of one more sabbat, I won't cover roof. I have some plenty. Go about the amount. Who be a tomorrow? I'm better for the beer for the weather.
Okay, and way a assumption of that Asante Kotoko fans and na your ball game we no and now the sound coming a day atuda ayala me sha say the free on afi mato aso ko fifi na afi judo na afi yedi eye enkomo. I mean, these are serious issues. Say ye babo Ghana Premier League game player friend the chairman say look game na ye babo no the opponent no afrem so jikakra only players no jiska na mo bon soft say na be betimi ashaka league nim oso okay na yekoso a enom negotiate twa mo bra na adance nti ampa brand na kuchi omo $1,000 the far referee so yakobo game na wie Asante Kotoko lose game by 2-1 the supporters any sikano kra any players no more the garden that I mean a whole lot of issues ala your league any sense in saying integrity
because the reason why Obia English Premier League, you know, say a well branded, a when munyam any sano manumino, say okay, clubs no musia kind Premier League or musubine the yomo bomwa, then you get the image of the Premier League. Into how professional West Ham how professional Wolves Man City, Liverpool, Manchester United. Okay, common na image bomwa. Na I'm a Premier League image kesiene mo do. It is the same with the Ghana Premier League. Ekoya Kotoko faso running the club no. Koya House faso running, All Blacks running, Obia running no. Individual clubs no. How professional or more the standard of the running or more administration no. So image na they give to Obia or TH no, and our Kambumwa it gives you the image of the Premier League. Enti abrabo omobo. Any dewi omo faso yo omo ni omo no. And the Bama League, you know, said ebetumpo. It is not any individual. Nobody, FA president, general secretary, finance one, marketers, English, Ghana Premier League board, no single individual. And a bit me the image of the Ghana Premier League brand. There be a clubs no mere participant of the league, you know. Day to day, Abrabo Mobile, and then no bit in channel Kotoko a professional club, we be a professional, has a professional. Into okay, Kabo, so we no musia kind of league in him, and my league, you know, a professional football. In the first place, Rich, a bad day na Obia attempted to bribery Patrick Asidu. And na board management amani and obe sign the management of the club no akoba Alex Menu amani. I didn't tell you sir. Ye juma mu aye wo sisi Rich say bibi a fa juma we a wo ye hu. Say e wo say wo ka kire panyi bi say bibi ye wo adwuma no ho a will you go outside and call obi o say o mi tie in share FM pam ye in share FM fan. And I will be complain. No.
The first point of call, are your line manager?
Exactly. So a ban saying Patrick Asedu couldn't tell Coach Hamza. One team and can't team manager Frank. One can't any member of the management.
Welfare officer.
One can't so one can't straight and of Alex Menu. Doesn't make sense to you. It doesn't. It doesn't make sense to me. There is no way. In fact, say particularly not our campo, say our clubhouse, the immediate impending for no more is the management. And unless there is something, Minyam from Minsansi to say, I didn't went to the man is the story that they are telling me, it doesn't make sense.
As well as men is almost grounds.
Rich.
Rich.
$1,000. Rich. Me say, we live in a natural world. And son of Bibi, I stage. We live in a natural world. Say, Bibi, to see your natural reaction. And the mobile was a genuine. Me say, Patrick Asedu, there is no way somebody will come to him to bribe him. And the first point of call wouldn't be Hamzamo. And I said the team manager, and I said the Kotoko management. Now the first point of call in natural reaction is to call Alex Menu.
So a state thing. But me there Senkade any stage party. This is serious.
Now unless say Alex Menu be so catch and say Patrick Asedu say my bomb management amani and nobody is taking the matter up. Obi alfi me ko catch omo no inform ho. And I say the management is aware of the whole scheme. And I'm so I didn't hit him. My year home film, Mumu from a new podcast and then Chanko for saying, and yes, it doesn't really make sense. Number two, the course it affects the brand Kotoko. It affects
but before you go to the brand Kotoko, in your what do you think is Alex Menu
Obeyes
like stage, you know?
Me, I'm not saying say it's staged, okay. But I'm saying say the story that they are telling me, in my
It's
natural logical mind, I don't believe it.
Yeah, but I say yes, I'm to the other side, you know. Why? Because I'm thinking, and I didn't make what I say. Almost, what do they stand to gain?
Into that one will come in my conclusion, you know.
Sure, okay.
Now, the Omoya, it doesn't make sense to me. Number 2. Then after the Akosuni, Kotoko management come out this morning to release a statement. Has a release almost statement this year, end of season statement. It's the same thing as Kotoko here. Kotoko then releases a statement, and there is no mention of the bribery allegation. Does it make sense to you? A club like Kotoko, your whole brand is attached to bribe. Your players' names have been mentioned. Affiliate of your club. At the same Ashanti region, baby, a team in the war. The NCC chairman is on tape, video with other people. So just in say, obey the bribery, Abu players din. You bring out a statement after that incident, and there's no mentions. Total silence.
Yekasa is here. RAC, Referees Association of Ghana. And the statement about.
So that is where you put a normal together.
Because these are serious allegations.
That is where you put it together. Look, a normal trepe de beti me. One, unless this kind Kotoko board ni management, but so much and say Kotoko brand, you know, any players in the brand and inform who be among fam. And your massam, a better entity, and your massam. Number 2, unless a Kotoko board no management, you know, a person who created the impression say they are involved in the scheme in a way, and until they can't indict their own self, and until no one boss them in Omun can't say there's investigations into it. Unless you are involved, so we are involved with there, and you will for say you investigate yourself. Dear Chato. They are also telling Obia say, okay, without us mentioning it, they are what Tibiano for the Safako. The Obekebia and Fire
Kotoko.
That is what they have done. Said the Obia Tibiano, Nipakona can run with it. Because they are not taking charge of the narrative. And can then buy a Kotoko management a releasing statement, you know. And nobody attacked was say, yeah, test a bribery allegations because investigations into it. Then they are owning the narrative. After 2 weeks, 3 weeks, oh yeah, investigation. That is the narrative from the club. But the moment you leave the space, you are telling Obia say, Massa, they are watching the OGDB and those are the 3 things. Maybe final one will be the Ghana Football Association. Yeah? Kotoko image. Kotoko Abrabo Mbebo. If it is within your product, which is the Ghana Premier League, you must be concerned.
Yeah. Because these are serious allegations.
Whether Kotoko staged what they did, whether the bribery allegation around your product, the Ghana Premier League. Untimin kasa Kotoko na nyo masam. Epesi ne, come saying 12. Yente from the Ghana Football Association. Are they serious?
Senke emphasize Premier League now they have a chance. Let's say
Nottingham Forest,
Chelsea,
any Liverpool Kobo game.
Not Chelsea for not almost and trophy. So Nottingham Forest for now after player back come on. Hey, Premier League say they don't care about their product. Come on. Oh, come on. And the never Diablo growing too much. And the consequences was that whether Obibeka say fix so and fix so. Once I don't have evidence, I will say Tims Nimi and do man who the Gina Park. A boy who say all blacks for that song. Was so and show we you know. The accostuning now and how you've managed it came back to hunt the
Kotoko take a chair and say
Kotoko game maybe ambulance and then for players.
Fantastic.
Because of
Rich, there's no leadership at Kotoko now. And that is the basis of the normal Nekosuna.
Because Jude, you know about Jude.
Yeah, Rich. Rich, you miss your own Sembi. Me pacho say all blacks and allegedly, you say, and paying for the back. And Patrick, I said, you couldn't come.
Sure.
Rich,
ɛna aboboa na ababedru say one ma dia na me dwene ho say All Blacks as a club and the rippling effect of say ubetua bribe but so say omunim say a relegation meboa because eba you could even be demoted onim but then the Bema All Blacks enya kukudro say in spite of all that is assuming without admitting say Kotoko in spite of all that obenya kukudro say Nhyira Kotoko team mu but when you me point
no afre
natie bisa who say dent na Patrick Esiedu e na omo efre no
say bi on na omo ne no wa yi
that be rich who say ade bi o ha mebo me pese me tua bribe e wo Nhyira FM Nhyira FM sports team wo ho na me hwe sports team na
e bi o afre Fatilo
ma frɛ Fatilo enye Fatilo mpo na that sports team na ayala ne da no ma kwa frɛ Fatilo
say bi on na on no good rapport
bro me try there my men so me suspect Patrick Esiedu in fact me need any evidence whatsoever but my men so me ya suspect no say I am komo be na call so na dey need me identify say me person me Nhyira Kotoko team mu dia
me dey fa
me dey sam komo fa Patrick Esiedu so o say no so ya sense be pa say and the Patrick Esiedu so me am me brand Alex Manu ayala make a very fantastic point because na me genius idea no say Alex any part of Kotoko management inti a die relationship nko na die na wo ho no and Patrick Esiedu so ko frɛ no look here can say be a chom ye nkra okrum ho bro utie agro we ye di a more than 20 years obia ni mobi obia nso ni nkomo a eba agro we mu a ni Paul so need so nim sa de obia ni mobi clubs no obia ni mobi and obia nso nim enkomo bi sei no baby also di ni nkomo fa and so when you me point no say
ebi so Jude me we dey ye na asem aye can any evidence
of course
yeah can be
any evidence yes but
ebi so ana baby anom person du om nkomo no kon na nkomo ni nkoyi to me yen so okay say ye di fa ha na nye dia ye mfa ha go players on na bobo
me am patoti enti ye mfa ha no no e dey na koye Patrick Esiedu
ebi no no mu ni no
o dey betimi patoti rich metimi animo but minim say you are a principal person say minim ayala
but at least ma minim
ayala as a brother but utie me respecting you so much because minim say ayala is a principal person
and pe be your price
you nsɛmunu bi o wa mintimi mfa ayala so
any pe be your price
but metimi ewu hu say Fatilo metimi dia fa ne so based on a bia nkomo bi a edi pen and na dia ye pen ye ni bia ho enti even Patrick Esiedu also musan ahwehwe ne mu yie
this all boy
anya hwe patoti enye wadwene say tio wa boy man enti emmo Patrick Esiedu abaso anopa yo yi sadwene ne fi utrim se mema ne nsi otimu da say because say wa bo mpanyimfo amane because we bypass management or board ho wan kan tro obi akoka che supporters chairman Ashanti region adwene be ne town nsi utrim adwene be ne 30 e hon na kodi ne nkomo fine and clearly game na mo bono ye hu mo body language abibia che say mo nya ready mo nya prepare say game mbebo bro meboa so we samba penalty e kon fa so boy so we mean say sana na on say eno ntina Saturday obeka analysis ana me ye no me can say nations betimi akwa shekarela na anya no na osa mo dwene hu mo ma mo dadwene anya baba yara o sana me kasa asem no me much emphasis on that because me can say na me nya information o dabi but na me nim de betimi asi look adwe ara wo she anytime I'm in here ebe release this statement say new board eba Adia Bakuna consistently, I am running through their statements about branding the image of Kotoko. I am consistently. Mensia can't have free hoba, no about Diana. The image of Asante Kotoko, the brand Asante Kotoko. I am very key. So you ask yourself, say Kotoko board here to we. Any management here to we. A day in a business BBC baba. Namus am fire. No, me yes I need to say mo club na bro. Now nim say me bo. Wo management member na board member wo say am fa ho kra no. Even in your private life, business are running, bet me affecting it there. Bro, you are there. It bet me affecting even your own business are all running. And it's so bro, Tio. And yeah, say a club like Asante Kotoko. Bro, Sadi we be ya boss season away. After mu players one was ambulance na de omoko. Na say ti o wudi 6 billion a month ya di tua e ka salaries. Na say boss season we na di 8 and one kasa no. E ambulance ankasa na e do be free stadium. Na we so back on.
Emma.
Mato ase bro enti issue we there.
Et uji dey say stage ni bia ho.
Ah menua. Ade we mi so mu nhwehwe mu yie. Memi unim typical Ghana man issue. Ya be kan asem no ho. For some few days, say Ghana there, sir. You can't,
that is why I say FNI taking it up.
Exactly, and he said they
because
to be very proactive.
It will affect the integrity of the league.
Of course.
Already now, because a league integrity.
Adina Nkasano. You need to pack a crab in a time. You bought Ghana football who the Europa. Meboa. Do one say no, bro. Yes, I know, and every man for us they say na you before I bubble games, no, you need the dada. And no BBC about bro.
The integrity of our league, you bending.
For me, there are 2 reasons I shall say is because Obi Peso Botai actually. Botai Ben and I tie because clearly no person best and some area, but I need some colleague in him. But if there is a possibility of it to be staged, then what is the notion? Because of course notion is very important, and we'll take it from there. Then after you can plan as to what you have to do, because based on the notion of those who wanted to stage whatever they wanted to stage, and as more then you can profess sanctions, and I say what you do to make sure that they be saying NCBM. Which we need to be firm. Honesty. Yeah, meaning 2 people that were very close to becoming Kotoko CEO that are thinking of not taking the job because of some of these things. In fact, I know of a name that a lot of people think that he had fully accepted to take the job. In the last few conversations, because of again things like this. Because for him also, he leaves the job Kotoko, and certain things also in other fields or certain things he will not get it. Until till now, things are not concluded. What I'm saying is that whatever the case may be, we need to get to the bottom of this issue. If it was staged, let's get to the bottom. Say All Blacks want to be some yes, sir. Let's get to the bottom. Say Alex Menu so police station. We start from there. Usually you should suspect. So he's not guilty until proven otherwise.
Sure.
You best start a conversation. But from the point of view of Kotoko, the point of view of the FA, there has to be a concerted effort. Say you better get it to the bottom. Say in a month's time, we understand the full thing. Okay, then I will take care of him. Why did you want to do this? I didn't know Patrick do. Because in a white man's investigation, they don't just say, so you've come to report. No, they don't do that. They look at you. Nobody has a problem with Patrick Casino. Maybe a fantastic gentleman. But in cases like this, so far as you are also have to be investigated. You investigating, you get to the bottom, you can say, oh, Patrick Casino, I'm a friend keke. Only issue of any allegation, we say that. Uncle share will be our baby that. Then you clear you and you go somewhere. But everyone, including Alex Menu himself.
You go on friend.
Again, we are club supporters chairman. You are not part of the management of the club. So in the day-to-day running, Alex, you ought to have informed the club's management.
Who
inform club the management we are. Who inform club the management we are. Then you would together with them take action from there. But why would they open? Organize supporters contact baby HOBia. One on your police in. 2, you ought to explain to the police management and GFA. Nientia won't trust the management, and I won't this management can do the job because that also means that there's an interested party probably there. The investigation has to encompass it.
You say Obiaba so bribe Kotoko players be. Yeah, Kotoko player na you say I didn't be serious no. One country management. Or culture supporters leadership. Omo dey asam na kopie mo police station. yɛabɔ game no awie yɛwie a management abɛ release statement sɛ yɛabɔ season no awie nti player no awa report ama management no a yɛhu mu police station hɔ bi yɛbɔ game no wie so a management statement aba they are not mentioning at the end ade Kotoko no ɛni hwɛ so fo ana
3220 83581 83582